So instead of trying to ground, which I am not a fan of, you're all probably familiar with, okay, send your roots down. Does that work for anyone? It's never worked for me. Does it work for anyone? Okay, good. God bless you. God bless you.
Everything works.
Good, good. Never worked for me. And so people would be like, hey, fuck. I don't fucking know what are you talking about. So I don't know nothing from that. So a lot of what I've developed or been gifted with is what has worked for me. Okay? So this is called Daffodil head. What's it called?
Daffodil head.
Daffodil bulb looks like that, right? You plant the head, plant the big part down, right? The tippy part sticks, but you cover the whole thing up with soil. With daffodil head, what we're going to do is we're going to leave the top of the daffodil out of the ground. Does that make sense? So you are a daffodil bulb, and we're going to keep the top of your head out of the ground. Because if I plant you fully in the ground, you're going to freak out. Okay? Because your nature, if I may, you're like an air being. You're all air, right? And so if I throw you in the earth, it's going to not well. Okay? Okay. You got to talk up when you hear so they can hear you. That's good entertainment. Okay. All right. So bring your attention into your still point. Mirror. Okay. If you could choose to follow my attention. There you go. You have a nice still point, nice calm. Use your voice.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, all I do. Would you like to go deeper before we do this?
Yes.
Okay. Follow my attention. There you go. How's that?
Are you planting me?
No, not yet.
Oh, because I feel like I'm kind of waving, moving.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's coming. Are you planting me? That's the phrase of the week. That's great. Not yet.
Okay.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's fine. That's good. Okay. And so what she's going to say is, I am a daffodil.
I'm a daffodil.
I'm a daffodil.
I am a daffodil.
I'm a daffodil.
I am a daffodil.
There you go. I
Summon.
summon daffodil head.
Daffodil head.
There you go. So what happens is Earth starts to pack around her, which is what's happening. There we go. You okay?
Yeah, feels good.
Good. I
Open myself
to the Earth
to the earth.
until the Earth is meeting the daffodil and feeding the daffodil. There you go. That's beautiful. How you doing?
Good.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Say more.
Can I stay here?
You can, yeah. Okay, good. Okay, so does this make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So here's how this is working. I have a structure around us. Not me, but they. They have a structure around us. I have all of what I do, like on index cards. And I call something, and they're like, okay, that's what he wants. Let's do that to her. Okay? And then they, because they're powerful, and me, and my attention, we got a bunch of attention, are drawing her attention to different aspects of her field. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
This is all working through attention. There's nothing more powerful than you or than your attention. Okay?
Attention or intention?
Attention. That's a great distinction. So intention is really great. I have the intention to work 8 hours today. Great intention, but if my attention's not on work, intention's not going to matter nothing, right? Attention is the missing equation from the New Age metaphysical movement, in my opinion. Okay? How you doing?
Good.
How's it feel?
Good.
Say more than good, I don't know.
It's nice and relaxing. It's grounding.
Good. I
I
want more
Want more.
More daffodil head.
More daffodil head.
Yum yum.
Yum yum.
There you go. There you go. They like the yum yum. There you go. Good. So when you're in your body, you can have more pleasure. Delicious. Okay. Good to go? Okay. Feet down. Hands like so. We're like so. Nice straight back. Nice jaw. Parallel. Okay. I do. Say your full name. Call forward.
Call forward.
Daffodil head.
Daffodil head.
I plant myself
I plant myself
in the ground.
in the ground.
Now.
Now.
Now we're just going to absorb earth energy. I
I
open
open
to absorbing
to absorbing
earth energy.
earth energy.
Just going to talk a little bit while you guys are doing your thing. So you're a daffodil bulb in the ground, just allowing the earth to feed you. Not reaching out for energy from the earth, but just allowing the earth to do what it wants to do with you. Just let go a little bit.